Recording is on. Hey everyone, this is the random team second half of the half case break. We just finished the first half. Teams are in the chat. If you haven't seen it, there's two different links that you can click to see your team. No trades, so we're going to get started. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Box number 1. Oh, somebody put a rip. Oh no, Eric said good to go. All right, good luck, guys. Box number 1. Pack 1, box 1. RIP. You got a good look. Okay. TJ Logan, number to 25, rookie for the Cardinals. Green, TJ Logan. Next up, Kenneth Dixon, number to 199, jumbo jersey for the Ravens. Kenneth Dixon. Raven. Next, we got Ezekiel Elliott to 199, jumbo jersey for the Dallas Cowboys. Number to 199. That's 47 of 199. And the auto is going to go to the Colts. Marlon Mack, RPA. Looks like the E. There's no E, so I don't know where that's from. But Marlon Mack for the Colts to 299. There we go. 135 of 299. 165 of 299. I'm blind. Second pack. Good luck. Box 1. We got Jordan Matthews, base to 99 for the Eagles. He's a Bills now, right? He's with the Bills. 50 of 99. Next up, you got Cody Kessler, blue jumbo jersey for the Browns. That is 39 of 99. Next up, we got Zay Jones, number to 99, dual blue parallel for the Buffalo Bills. Man, I can't wait till I get my new setup. Zay Jones, number to 99. That's 83 of 99. And the hit goes like this. Joe Williams. Looks like another letter patch for the San Francisco 49ers. Joe Williams. There we go. Running back. And that's number 244 of 299. Pack 3, box 1. Jordan Leggett, number to 50. Rookie auto for the Jets. That's 39 of 50. Next up, Trevor Davis, number to 199. Jumbo jersey for the Green Bay Packers. Trevor Davis, number to 199. That's 19 of 199. Next up, O.J. Howard for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. O.J. Howard, tight end. These black ones just don't pick up. And that's numbered 194 of 199. He does like testicles. And for the Chicago Bears, Jordan Howard green 3-color patch auto. Chicago Bears, Jordan Howard. That's number 2 of 25. 2 of 25. Chicago. Hopefully he pans out. I have him on a couple. He played good the first game. That rookie killed it. Good luck. Last pack, box 1. Tyus Bowser for the Baltimore Ravens, number to 99, 75 of 99. Next up, we got Priest Holmes, number to 35 with the Ravens. You never see that, really. Priest Holmes with the Ravens. Next, we have DeAndre Washington. Ew. Nasty jumbo patch for the Raiders. Number 5 of 15. Jumbo nasty patch. DeAndre. It's 5 of 15. There we go. And the hit goes like this. Zay Jones for the Buffalo Bills. Zay Jones. It's the blue parallel with a nasty patch. It's 45 of 75. I do think this kid's going to be good. Zay Jones. Buffalo. Congrats. Box number 2. Good luck, guys. Box number 2. Good luck, good luck. We got a Julio to 99 base. Julio Jones. I know, right? Big Texas breaks. Patrick Peterson, number 23 of 99. I thought it was jersey number. 23 of 99, blue parallel jersey. One of the best corners in the league. Next up, Drew Brees. Drew Brees, blue parallel jersey. Come in, Watson, 39 of 99 for the Saints. Who dat? And the auto is going to be like this. Jeremy McNichols, vertical RPA for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And that's numbered to 299. 143 of 299. It's a nasty patch. Pack 2, box 2. Lamar Miller, number to 50, 25 of 50 for Houston. Houston Texans. 25 of 50, Lamar Miller. Derrick Henry, number to 199. Jumbo jersey for the Tennessee Titans, and that's 16 of 199. And it's not going to come in. 16 of 199. For the Jacksonville Jaguars. Leonard Fournette, D.D. Westbrook, dual jersey rookie. Blue parallel. And that's number 90 of 99. And the hit is going to go like this. Chris Godwin, sorry. Chris Godwin for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Bucks are marking the second half of this. Green ink, nasty 2-color. That's 7 of 10. 7 of 10. Yep, I want to punch this camera in the face sometimes. There we go. 7 of 10. That patch is bulging out. Pack 3, box 2. Ezekiel Elliott to 99. Oh, no, this is numbered 15 of 50. 15 of 50. Zeke for the Cowboys. Yes, come on, let's pull somebody big. Todd Gurley, number to 199, jersey for the Rams. And that is 39 of 199. Now I hear my crazy dog. Deshaun Kaiser, numbered 23 of 99. 23 of 99, Deshaun Kaiser for the Browns. And for the Washington Redskins, Samaj Perine. He was a stud at Oklahoma. RPA for the Washington Redskins, 7 of 10, black. Getting low numbers, just not the right guys. Washington. Alright, last pack, box 2. Priest Holmes to 99 for the Chiefs. Base. We got a redemption. Devontae Adams. This is numbered to 35, blue die cut for the Green Bay Packers. It's number 34 of 35. Todd Gurley. Hopefully this is sick. Oh, nastiness. 2 of 5 for the Rams. Todd Gurley, triple threats, patch. I think pants or shoe. Does it say on here? Player worn Muriel. It's number 2 of 5. 2 of 5. Todd Gurley, triple, number to 5. He had a first good game. That's Rams. Alright, let this be somebody nasty and not Dan Bailey. Alright. 96 point. Football. 2017 Spectra rookie patch autograph of 240. Evan Ingram for the Giants. New York Giants. Evan Ingram, RPA. He's supposed to be a stud. He had a decent game against the Cowboys. All right, box 3. I think he went to Ole Miss. Box 3. Halfway done. What time I start? 7:30. We're starting out with a number to 10, Thurman Thomas, but not in the uniform you're used to seeing him in. Dolphins, Thurman Thomas. That's numbered 8 of 10. Miami. Next up, we have a Lamar Miller, numbered 51 of 199 jersey. Houston Texans. Lamar Miller. Next up, we have a Dalvin Cook jumbo jersey rookie. Immense Materials. And that's 153 of 199. There you go. Vikings. And the auto is going to go like this. Bill Bates for the Cowboys. Safety. Bill Bates, Dallas Cowboys. And that is 17 of 99. Dallas. Pack 2, box 3. Dalvin Tomlinson. This is numbered 94 of 99 for the New York Giants. New York Giants. Next, we have a Joe Mixon. I have not seen very much Bengals in these two cases. Jersey, Joe Mixon. Future starting running back for the Bengals. That one is numbered 62 of 199. Next up, we have CJ Beathard. Dual jersey, number to 199 for the San Francisco 49ers. And that is 146 of 199. Yeah. The last card goes like this. Ahmad Rashad, wide receiver for the Minnesota Vikings. Ahmad Rashad. And that is numbered 5 of 5. Yeah, we hit a nasty Watson earlier. Pack 3, box 3. Uh-oh, is Zach still in here? Tyrod Taylor, number to 99. Tyrod. Tyreek Hill, number to 199, jersey. Tyreek Hill. And that is 126 of 199. Next up, we have a dual Dalvin Cook, Jordan Howard jersey. We're going to have to random that, and that is 170 of 199. And the hit will go like this. Ryan Switzer. He got punt and kick return. Play time for the Cowboys. He was a stud at that in college, and that's numbered 4 of 199. Dallas. Oh, he saw the Tyrod. Facebook is super delayed, so. John Riggins, number to 50 for the Redskins, 28 of 50. Lance Allworth, number to 35 for the Cowboys. Lance Allworth. 18 of 35. I put the dual in there, didn't I? Jeremy Nichols. Ooh, dirty patches. Dual for the Bucks. That's numbered 4 of 25. The Bucks did well in the second half of this. We need to pull some heat. Where did I put that dual? Change that. And the last card of this one, last card of box number 3 is Samaj Perrine, sorry. Pulled 2 of his RPAs in the second half. One was numbered to 10. This one is 32 of 75. 32 of 75. Oops, sorry. Samaj. All right, last box, guys. Good luck. I appreciate everybody helping out. Eric pulled some heat tonight out of Spectra. We had a couple McCaffreys, Watson, Mitch Trubisky, Devin Cook, Kaiser. Who else? Hunt, Mahomes. No, Mahomes. All those though. Good luck, guys. Last box of the second half. Random teams. Ooh, this is going to get you a little bit of PayPal. Tom Brady, number to 25. Oh, I thought it was 12. It's 2 of 25. Tom Brady, green parallel. There you go. Somebody traded for them and got them this time. Mac Hollins, number to 99. Mac Hollins, number to 99 for the Philadelphia Eagles. And that is 6 of 99. Next up, Christian McCaffrey, numbered 1 of 5. 1 of 5. Christian McCaffrey. Oh, nasty. Patch, ball patch. Christian McCaffrey, 1 of 5. Who had the Panthers? I can't even see. Carolina. Nope. Good luck. Or Grats Panthers. These ones numbered to 5 look nasty. And the auto is going to be for the Dallas Cowboys, numbered 45 of 199. Taco Charlton. He does Taco Bueno commercials out here. Cowboys got a few hits in the second half, too. There's a ton of hits in this stuff. I'm going to see if I can get into somebody maybe later. I don't know. Is this 35? Yeah, 18 of 35. Tyus Bowser for the Baltimore Ravens. Die cut. Baltimore. Fred Taylor, number to 99, jersey, blue, parallel. Frederick Taylor. Yeah, I think so. 35 of 99 for Fred Taylor. For the Rams, numbered 89 of 199, Cooper Kupp and Jared Goff. We pulled this a few times, like 3, I think. Jared Goff and Cooper Kupp. This kid's gonna be good. This duo look good against the Colts. So for the Steelers, numbered 90 of 99, Joshua Dobbs, old Tennessee QB, RPA. Number 99. Hard Joshua Dobbs. It's 90 of 99. We got 2 more to hit some sickness. Good luck, guys. 2 left. David Moore for the Seahawks, numbered 15 of 50. David Moore. 15 of 50. Rookie for the Seahawks. Next up for the New York Giants, number to 199, Sterling Shepard. Sterling Shepard, number to 199. Holy moly. Now 140 of 199. No holy mollies yet. Number 291 of 199, Cody Kessler, Deshaun Kaiser. Dual jersey for the Browns. And that is 91 of 199. There was a Viking, Kraus, and the RPA is going to be, oh no, Cordell Stewart for the Pittsburgh Steelers. The Steelers did well in all of it, I think. Volume-wise. They hit a Hines Ward, too. Number 30 of 99. Cordell Stewart. Let this last auto be nasty. Pittsburgh Steelers. All right, last pack, guys. I appreciate everybody. I'm going to do the random for the one duel. Thanks, everybody, getting in. Eric, he'll have more of it. And I think he'll be breaking it. Robert Woods, number to 99, base for the Rams. He has a Bills uni, but it's Rams right there logo. So this will go to the Rams. Yep, Rams. 89 of 99. James White, number to 199, jersey for the New England Patriots. James White, 55 of 199. 2 hits left. Good luck, fellas. Drew Brees jersey, Catalyst for the New Orleans Saints. That's numbered 144 of 199. 144 of 199 for the Saints. And to end the break, Thomas Rawls, 46 of 50, jersey auto for the Seattle Seahawks. Thomas Rawls, jersey auto for the Seattle Seahawks. And that is numbered 46 of 50. That ends the break, guys. So I'm going to do the random really quick. Odd is Dalvin Cook. Even is Jordan Howard. Odd, even. Let me put this over here. Odd, Dalvin Cook. Even, Jordan Howard. It's going to Jordan Howard, number 4. Even. So this is Jordan Howard for the Bears. Appreciated it again, everybody. Eric will let y'all know when he has more breaks. I'm going to be helping him here and there. So thanks, everybody, for coming in. Hope you did well. And we'll see you guys next time. What were you asking me? Yeah, Howie Long in the first one, and it was somebody cross in the second. Yes, definitely been fun. Appreciate everybody. Later.